Hi guys, we come from group 6. Before start this video, let me introduce our member.
Hey guys, I'm so sorry I'm late because I fell off campus.
No problem. Come have a seat.
Thank you, yeah.
You're welcome.
Are you guys talking about the movies?
The movie really made me cry. It felt like I was experiencing what the main character was going through.
Yes, this movie did a good job of making you empathize with the character. I may think about my relationship with my mom.
Oh my gosh, I still cannot get over the final scene of the movie. When the mom left the letter for her kids, I was sobbing. It felt like a knife in the heart.
I agree with your opinion, Neha. Every word in the letter feels so deep. The mission was so clear. We have to curses every moment with your parents, especially your moms.
I was both too, but if you think about it, that letter was a bit too designed to add our emotion. They could have been more subtle in delivering the message without too many dramatic words.
Wow, Gina, you are really critical. I don't usually watch movies like this, but the letter was actually what made me connect to the story. Even though I did not cry, that sense was still impactful.
But what did you like overall movie? I'm curious about you since you usually prefer action film.
Honestly, I had a hard time getting into the story at first. The pace was so slow, but when the family conflict started, I became interested, especially when the kids finally realized how important their mom's presence was. I thought that was the most human part of the film.
Besides, by watching this movie also tackles an important issue, which is about death and loss. How we need to face these painful realities.
Yeah, that's definitely the main strength of the film. The conflict feels so real. It still has their own way of coping with difficult situation, like the OS one who goes to Bush with work, and the US one who runs away from the reality. It all feels so real.
I really like the visuals. The scenes are simple but full of meaning.
I agree, but I think the character in the middle who plays the mediator between the older and younger siblings was not explored enough. He had great potential to strengthen the story.
That's true. I feel like the character is a just hero, but maybe the international to keep the focus on the mom and her struggles.
Yes, the scene I remember the most is when the main character is talking her mom. It feels so warm.
Speaking of moms, the acting of the lead actress playing the mom was amazing, right? Her expression were so natural, like a real mom fighting against illness. I read she did in-depth research on the illness her daughter had.
Exactly, I'm so impressed with her acting. She made you feel her pain and love. Even in the script where she is silent, she made you feel so sad.
Her article story. I also like the cinematography. The use of warm color in the flashback and cold color in the present really help build the emotional atmosphere.
Oh my gosh, Ina, you always pay attention to the technical stuff. I am more focused on the story. The flashback scenes made me realize that mom have always sacrificed without us even noticing.
I'm interested in how this movie portrays the grieving process, from denial to acceptance.
And the soundtrack really helped. The music flowed softly during the emotional moment, but it don't feel overboring. It made me think when was the last time I said thank you to my mom.
Well, if been thinking about that too, Dina. Usually I'm not into movies that make me all emotional, but this one really made me reflect.
This one is positive, even though there are some flaws like the small pass at the baking and the somewhat predictable conflict. The movie has a strong message that research the audience.
I don't agree that the conflict was predictable. I actually liked it because the story was simple and not too complicated. It all was focused on the emotion.
True, this movie is more about the feelings than twists or surprise. Sometimes what we need from a movie is a reminder of the simple things we often overlook. Yeah.
I agree. Even though I might do not watch a film like this again soon, I would regret stretching it feel like a little therapy session.
This film also show how important family is and the support we get from our loved ones when we're going through tough times.
If I watch it again, I definitely bring my mom so she know how much I appreciate her.
Wow, great idea, Dina. I bring my mom too. Maybe she is like it.
I'm not sure if I watch it again, but I definitely recommend it to friends who enjoy family drama. The emotional impact is really strong.
Alright, so Dina and Manda, you watch it again with your mom. Nova and I might watch another film first.
Sure. Just don't forget the movies we see. Don't ever be anything with the ones we love.
Agree, and that's why this movie is worth watching for everyone.